In this video, I'll be showing you how you can check your latency on your game sessions on a Parsec. First step that you have to do is to create a game session or launch your Parsec and start a game session. Once you are inside the receiving end screen, you just need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus M if you are using Windows or Command plus Shift plus M if you are using Mac OS. Once you do that, you will now open the statistics overlay of that screen. And here you will notice the decode, encode, and the network. For the network latency, it will be measuring the delay between your input and the host who is receiving it. Meanwhile, the decode latency is the time taken to process and display the video stream. And lastly is the network or the ping. It will measure the time it takes for the data to travel between your client and also your host. And that's it. That's how you can check or view the latency of your game sessions on Parsec, and thank you for listening.